Alright, when Alkaline born, him mother said, that's not my baby.
That's not my baby.
And since he started making money, she said, I think it's my
I'm a fan. I'm a fan.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
all Jamaica people like them, and they're antisocial.
Yeah.
He doesn't give anything away. He doesn't go to party. He doesn't talk to people. He thinks his shit can make
I
money.
don't like him.
And they like him. That's all Jamaica people say sometimes.
Let me move your pussy wall and come down.
Fuck a uno. Fuck a uno. Uno try kill a youth career and in content giant pa uno right now. Wait.
A few moments later.
Every day, them a man ya come tell me say, J Progress, every day ya call cartel name, J Progress, every day ya do video about the Gaza, J Progress this, J Progress that. Me ask you already, will you tell the boy one Kevin just for take a holiday, you know?
Yesterday and heard Frais, or J Fred or J Coward, whatever you want to name, saying that Alkaline fans them go to Alkaline show because them don't want Alkaline for flop.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You don't know this is Masicka and we're live. Okay, player, go on. The new album, the greatest album of all time. You know what I mean? Well,
You don't know what you truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So Vendetta Boss represent fully.
Go on, you don't know one Media Fox man up, you know. Yeah, man. So people, I don't know what go on, you know, but you don't know Walk and Talk. I left from J Frais podcast. No theme, no have Fambo. Fambo say something and me have to do spree. But I just want to listen to Fambo say. You understand? Yeah. And me can see say Walk and Talk, him kinda push the motive there, you know. Yeah, man. But what about Fambo say, is it?
But you call that even hard.
Yeah, like Alkaline. I mean, I say Holy Mali. Something say my big up Bob Marley them.
Yeah.
Holy Mali. I think that Bob Marley is my big up.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of Bob Marley, so kind of have a respect for him still. You know, he might look alike.
Yeah, look alike.
I don't know.
I mean, him, you know.
Are you
Look alike, you know. I mean, him look alike.
You look like Alkaline.
You did? All right. Whatever someone say.
What? Walk and Talk look like Alkaline? How would you write this? Yo, may I tell, brother, let me tell you this. Alkaline is greatest. May I tell you. Remember me tell you that, you. Yo, if you want to get some views, trust me. Just call Alkaline name. May I tell you, it's not a heavy topic. Is it? Yeah, man. All when it's not necessary, all when it's not even make any sense. May I tell you that. Yeah, man.
You got it. Thank you.
About.
Oh, we saw me a shit green.
Yeah. No, man.
So when Fambo do a song like Alkaline just take it as pussy.
It.
And the girl and they sing there.
No.
They don't know under the stage, so we never sing about it.
Yeah.
You understand? I come my boy and say, remember all people always say, pussy. All you ask them sing about is pussy. Alkaline just take it as pussy.
It.
And it. So
Let me sing about
me sing about God. I'm going to sing about a girl, you know, but I'll be singing it in a positive way, like, girl, you're so beautiful.
For the young youth them know. You see it? You know you have Craft, you have Skeng, you have, you know?
Skeng good.
Yeah.
Craft and the one say, anyway, that is staying in the dark.
Yeah.
If I was ugly like you, I'll stay in the dark too. Man, ugly man. Man, ugly. And then the thief bend his money. And he go put his braces. Braces can help you, brother. Man, ugly. Like I feel like and stay in the dark, don't come out.
Don't come out.
You are a duppy. No, Alkaline better look like Alkaline dead, ugly like dog. What think Alkaline?
People, when I realize it's like, to me, this almost some planting. Yeah, man. Planting this. Because look, I'm talk about Craft, you know. And then him just add in Alkaline. This come like, look like them planet or something. Because you cannot talk about somebody and then you just bring in a next person just, you understand? Like them I tell him say, yo, this and that. Just call Alkaline name every time. Yeah, man. That's how I see it. You see me?
Associated people. There's nobody to match up with him ugliness.
Yeah.
Alright, when Alkaline born, him mother said, that's not my baby.
That's not my baby.
And since he started making money, she said, I think it's my
I'm a fan. Love him.
Love him. Man, I never take him. He's a creature. I watch all them. All Jamaica people like them, and they're antisocial.
Yeah.
He doesn't give anything away. He doesn't go to party. He doesn't talk to people. He thinks his shit can make
I don't
money.
like him.
And they like him. That's how Jamaica people say sometimes. But they switch when they're ready, you know.
Alright, you're finna.
Yo, him just say a while ago say yo him no help people or something like so, and him no go party and him all of them something there. But you know me hear Nuffy say the same thing, and then them say yo them like him. That sound bad mind. I saw me see it. It's like the youth just be himself, and uno just want. It's like uno want everybody to hate the youth just to be himself. But one thing me have to tell you, Fambo. Cause me see how do your thing. I'm nothing wrong, everybody have them time. But all me I tell me G, don't make who in your ears mash up your little time when you have me G. You understand? Yeah man, just go and do your thing and humble with it, me G. You see, don't make them tell you what you see and all of them little thing there. Cause everybody knows the Alkaline been a help people. You understand? Cause remember you know, see? This are the thing where you see more why when people talk. Yeah, you might have people who are listening and know organ, but you have people who listen to them thing and believe say it's a true thing. You understand? So I go wait them, I go play it back and you know hear what I'm saying, you see me?
Preacher. I watch all them. All Jamaica people like them, and they're antisocial.
Yeah.
He doesn't give anything away. He doesn't go to party. He doesn't talk to people. He thinks his shit can make
I don't
money.
like him.
And they like him. That's how Jamaica people.
Yo, man say him not give it nothing, him not go party. Him not like people. Yo. Yo, Jado people be have a laugh, you know. Be have a laugh. And you see how much video him and artists are link up on a bag of thing. But all me have to say, Fambo, go and do your thing. You understand? I kind of see the hype. I understand the hype I kind of get to you. I understand. But something I want to say in the media, for just paint the artists look away like say the artists are them type of person who hate everybody. We don't see I don't link up Skipper. Everybody a link up your artists. We don't see no bad vibes. You understand? The thing with Uno will not understand, you know. Remember say a lot of people naturally no hate like no rate Alkaline because I don't know why. Or them a follow a next man. You understand? So the youth just do him thing, do him shows, keep himself to himself. The youth now if you going on a party every day like every other artist, my G. You understand? When you're a superstar, you know go everywhere people are see everywhere, my G. You see me? At the end of the day, I see enough man they a party every night. DJ and song a play and things still not go on for him same way. You understand? Not because a youth no go party or whatsoever. Mean say yo, oh, him not want artist. At the end of the day, music. Alkaline music still a playing a party without him even did it. Enough other dancehall artists no pull up a party same way. You understand? When you say him not help people, but then no man understand say Fambo him head not too, you know? And him kind of have a little bad mind thing in him, you know. Yeah man, cause me hear say yo, oh Alkaline thing, put up, shut up. And people love it and all of them look. So in my mind him say yo, how the youth do this? And get a song and you know, and me maybe I try and do this and I can't get a song there. Yeah man. But this a way I really look into people. When them say Alkaline antisocial and people, them don't know why people still like him. Or you think you don't feel like I want bad mind to that? Because wait to show you say you into people, but you just nah get the love. How them love Alkaline, the fans them and every little thing. But if you understand me, G, a fan is a fan. And at the end of the day, as an entertainer, people are gonna love your music, whether them like it or not. You understand? It not have nothing to do with the artist's personality, me G. Remember, say music make people know artists and about them personality. You see me? At the end of the day, music. You have artists who are friendly, where go with everybody and all of them look at thing. They are just a society still. You understand? Once them can get access to you, you are gonna be them favorite. If you're in a party every night, yeah. But look how much dancehall artists me see in a party. Every night. Them can't get no hit song. Nothing not go on for them. Them just did it like a regular person. You understand? I just saw it go on. Every dancehall artist now go see them on party every night. I just one of them look a thing there. You see me? And the youth always help people. Always. If I know one foundation or the blind community, the Hurricane Melissa thing, them go around and donate things with them truck and every little thing. So the youth always a help. But when me no rate people is that when they, remember, you know, these are platforms where they must say them thing, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. And people when maybe just introduce themselves or get to know about the artist or whatsoever and hear people talk them narrative, yeah. You see me? Seem like how Bounty Killer father and say, yo, Alkaline narrate people. Alkaline just narrate people who narrate him. You understand? I just that simple thing. Enough for the artists them to deal with other people. But nobody now call them out. But you don't know once a Alkaline, yeah, talking you go make. You see me? But all you have to say, Fambo, do your thing. But just humble more while. You see me? Yeah. Just humble yourself more while, my G. Cause understand say I get a little highlight, you know, one thing. Don't make you get overhype. You see it? Yeah, man. Cause me understand say you throw a little jam, man. You disrespect couple artists. Throw a little shades and every little thing same way. Cause some maybe like a joke, but me know say some of it where him say, yeah, you see me? Yeah, where him having him intention. You see me? But I saw it go.
Say sometimes, but they switch where they're ready, you know.
You're feeling.
And I'm them something. But them. He named himself Marley, it's a joke, you understand? I must say him Alkaline and sing about holy Marley. But listen to them, their music doesn't make sense to me. You know, when you're Armani, only Armani me know about is Armani pants and George Armani. So Armani is a watered down version of George Armani. But Armani, he might get hard time. He do a little video with Fambo. I say,
We're not
style him. Never heard him before, but he do a nice song for the rhythm there. Not nice rhythm. But the song be like when it's a star catch song. What a girl sex is that?
So actually,
You know why funniest thing? It's been years now. You see all that running away Fambo do? I'm glad I see it, you know. Remember when nothing now go on for Fambo, nobody now call him for no interview. You see me? Yeah, man, they will spit you up like a bubblegum when you drive, man. When Fambo da go through him little thing and all of them look something there. Nobody never see, nobody say, yo, Fambo link up. I'm kind of understand with the dancehall industry, the society is like things have to go on for people looking. Yeah, man, nobody not genuine no more for yo, Fambo, you're good or whatsoever. But I hope, you know, I hope everybody continue, you know, and when the hype done with Fambo, I hope everybody continue to reach out. Yeah, man. I hope people continue to reach out when Fambo gone back in other little realm there, when nothing go on. Yeah, man. You see me? So people will see J Progress, you know. Why J Progress start again? People may tell you, I don't know, normal. But we're going to hear what J Progress I say still.
Fuck I will know. When you try killing youth career and you come to giant pound right now. Wait. All them men tell me say me get to review Alkaline Antigua show. Unless he say Alkaline mash up the place one more time. Alkaline performance, man. Me know Gaza fans that go say the only reason make Alkaline can perform so good or make him a perform so good these days is because Vybz Kartel sick and him can't run up and down and jump like Alkaline. Nothing like that. Alkaline is just a better performer than Vybz Kartel, regardless if Vybz Kartel was sick. Come in, no see that to know come with. Who you see how Alkaline perform? Talk about the use of stage. Talk about interacting with the fans. Talk about the ladies them how them go mad. Yo, boy. Me never did see the performance growth here in the Alkaline.
It did, you know. It did, it's just that we never did that tune in. You see me? But it always there. I just one of them thing there, you know. Internet thing kind of turn up a notch. You understand? And especially since Vybz Kartel forward from prison. If you realize there's a target on Alkaline. Mean Vybz Kartel forward from prison. So every little thing we do, them are going to try to scrutinize it and try to compare it with Kartel. Since them are see Kartel, okay, you don't know him the behind bars. You see me? So that's how it go. You see it? Yeah. A bag of things, people are going to say things, people are going to compare, all of them little things there. You see me? I remember say Alkaline in the media like that, so when them see him on a stage, you see me? It's just, I saw it go like everything the youth do, everywhere you go, him need them call him name, a bag of thing. If I know interview, hurricane time, any little way, stage show time, something, there is something where somebody will call him name. I just one of them thing there. You understand? Every little spot, every little places, every little internet, little social media controversy thing, yeah, Alkaline did it. You understand? Yeah, man.
It come like, you know, for your artist who keep himself to himself, a man that thinks when them perform, them just do them thing and the interaction about it on a level. Yo, I don't know if Alkaline lock himself and I study the music craft and I study how to perform, how to DJ, how to do everything, but all I know, everything is on point. Choir again. Another choir again in Antigua. Yes, man. Another choir again. Oh, Alkaline do it, I don't know. Which other place right now, bars and them want to join the choir right now? Because everywhere Alkaline go these days, a choir.
Yeah, man, we have Trinidad a wait, you know. Yeah, man, Trinidad, we're going to see where, you see me? Trinidad a wait, so. Greece too. A lot of places are wait, so, but especially Trinidad, because them plan for it, you know. Yeah, man, so we're going to see what going on.
And hold on. Even though 1, 2, 3 are old song, Girl Good is not an old song. I'm telling you about the song them from Alkaline. Album, what am I doing a dance hall? I want to really come to me, but God and Time album. When will that see MPT? When will it see NPT? That would I like to know. Alkaline, why? You're taking dancehall performance to another level. I don't know what kind of craft you cook up, but all I know, brother, your performance them off lately with the show them. Show we why them did I try to hold you down. Because when you do the song, we say everything will make sense soon. Alkaline, it makes sense now.
Yeah, man. That Alkaline don't sing in the album, say, yo, them not seen nothing yet. Just look where I go, man. Yeah, some people just a bag of talking and bag of chatting, you know. But you don't know, beloved, when reality come through and then we can rebuttal. You understand? Yeah, man. So, Jeffrey got talk about, you don't know, Vybz Kartel cheerleader. You see me? One Gavin, one Kevin. You see me? Yeah.
Every day, them a man ya come tell me, say, J Progress, every day you call Cartel name. J Progress, every day you do video about the Gaza. J Progress this, J Progress that. Me ask on already. When you tell the boy one Kevin just for take a holiday, you know? You know that hard. If all I want to where I say me I call the Gaza name so bad, I don't know why if stop. When you chump up a piece of money, you know? Give one Kevin, buy my ticket, and send him for one weekend holiday at Jamaica. Just a weekend. Him not miss nothing. Send one Kevin for a weekend holiday at Jamaica. Today a Friday, and can book a ticket on Saturday and spend Saturday, Sunday and come back Monday. God, all I want to wake up. If you just put $10 each, you can buy a ticket for Jamaica.
Man, I know, all me see them man, they do it at the roadside and in a car and a drive more while. I think them say them do Uber or something like so. Me not really know any people. You understand? I just want Kevin that, you know. You see me, I just a bag of chatting, you see me? I remember him list a lot of people, put up people picture, everything, so him have to watch where him a go. You see me? Yeah, man. So, and remember, you know, enough of them money we are run with the Gaza thing, you know, people. Like 5 years ago, you know, none of them now flag, none of them now defend. And since Vybz Kartel forward out from prison, everybody just jump on the wagon. You understand? Yeah, man, jump on the wagon. It's easy to rep for Gaza, you know. Yeah, man, it's easy for rep for Gaza, man. You see it, I just one of them things there. But you just know, say, yo, some wagon is there. And some unloyal people, you see me? Yeah, I just one of them. Can remember when Kevin usually say, yo, no man with their prison can't get king. Yeah? So, a lot of things, enough of them. They never did really Vybz Kartel and them like a thing they are having for Kartel. Everybody just a jump on the hype now. You see me? Yeah, because you don't know Kartel come with the hype and the controversy thing. You understand? So, it easy. Yo, you can't say this Gaza, this song. You don't know. Once Vybz Kartel post them up, you know, and start sending them to Lion, you know. You can't tell them nothing. All of them never rate Vybz Kartel. I'm going to rate him now. You understand? But genuinely, not. You see me? Some of them just do it to get the kind of attention and, you know, yeah. But reality, man, just wait. Just time tell.
And I just no call back no more Gaza name for the rest of the year. I tell you already. Make one Kevin book a ticket, go to Jamaica and pass TSA, come back into the United States of America. The same boy living in car, we are class people and this and that and all different kind of thing. Tell the boy, one Kevin, book a ticket, go through American airport, go to Jamaica for 1, 2 day, 3 day, pass back TSA and enter back into America, go back in a car, do a video and make Missy say, J Progress made it right back in America and me just come from Jamaica. And everything done for Frais here. Me tell you already, you don't never hear me call back a Vybz Kartel name or a Gaza name other than just drop blog with dancehall artists. No Vybz Kartel, no Gaza. That me think that's fair enough. When I go tell me say it's so bad that you don't want me to stop call Vybz Kartel name. And you can't put $20 together and buy.
But you know what the funniest thing? We never hear no other fans, but every day them get up. Yo, stop call Vybz Kartel name, this and that. Me I say wait. It come like Vybz Kartel not relevant then. He not relevant. He man not somebody in a society then. For people. Sometimes I wonder. Because them beat artists the most. Them diss people the most. But when people are go half of them a ball sympathy to yo, a bad mind, them bad mind, this and that. So wait there. So when una diss up artists, we no can say no bad mind to man. You understand? We no can say that. Years on the other artist name and when Vybz Kartel found out from prison now and people are talking about him. Yo, a bad mind. Ray, true man rich, this, that. Come on, me G. Everybody have, and everybody born rich. You understand? Yeah, not because a man a talk about a man, me say, them have a bad mind, them and them look thing there. You understand? No human being, not so special to take criticism. You understand? Yeah. I just one of them thing there. You see it? So, everybody a got talk. Seem like how them talk about other dancehall artists. Yeah, man.
Ticket for one Kevin, make him go to a Jamaica, a airport in America and go to Jamaica for 1 weekend and go back to America. Me not think you know why me stop call Vybz Kartel name that bad. Because anyone who did want that are the easiest thing me could have given you to do. What's so hard? One Kevin take a vacation, just a weekend in Jamaica, and go back in America, go sit in your car, make you see your black again. Everything done. Frais here.
Tick, tack. Wagwan, my people. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. Hope everyone is doing well, you see me? My people, when it come on to me reggae, dancehall culture, if you not watch my page, you're not supposed to know by now, say me no pick side, you see me? But I on the internet yesterday and heard Frais, or J Coward, whatever you want to name, saying that Alkaline fans them go to Alkaline show because them don't want Alkaline for flop. My youth, how will you get them the something from? Because I is an Alkaline fan. And I don't go to Alkaline show because I don't want him to flop. Because if him flop, I can talk about it. I went to Alkaline shows because I want to hear him sing my favorite song live. You see what I say?
Yo, and that's the problem in people. Yo, sometimes me never know say people going to an artist show. It means say them a go to the artist show because them not want the show flop. Like what you think people, you feel like people just, alright, I get up and buy $1,000 ticket, I buy $800 ticket, or $500 ticket because me no want to art. Where you go there for? Now listen your artist or watch your artist perform. When since, like how much years now Alkaline at the show? How we never hear that talk and say, oh, him fans them go because him no want him fans them flap. Like him no want the show flap, so him fans them come out for him. I don't understand that. But the things some fans been a forward out for listening, watching performing music and listening. I don't understand that. I don't know who want to get the narrative them G. And I think Alkaline alone, me don't talk them way about. I don't talk about Kartel. I don't talk about Masicka. I don't talk about Sizzler. All of them artists, I never hear say, oh, people come see them because them don't want them flop. Yo, I tell you dog. I don't know but boy, because Alkaline some narrative are create would even make no sense.
Watch the performance live overall. You see what I say? Off the record. You see me? Yes. So when you come out here, come try to bash the artist in a different type of style. You don't know what's a style you don't go on with it now. You don't know what's a style you don't style the artist. You see what I say? I went to Alkaline show because he's a great artist and I want to hear him sing the song them live that I like. You see me? Yeah, and just watch the performance overall. I never go to an Alkaline show because I don't want him to flop. No. Seriously? I go buy ticket just to go watch an artist because I don't want him to flop. No, I go to enjoy myself and go to listen to the artist sing my favorite songs them. You see me? Yeah, man. So Frais, or J Coward, whatever you want to name, nonsense. I don't know about other fans, but I know about me. You see me? Yeah. And like I say, I am not on no side when it come on to my reggae dancehall culture. You see me? Because it's one reggae dancehall and it's one culture. You see me? And one more thing I have to say. Kartel, you know say you are my artist from longer time. You see what I say? Like me say me no pick side. But me notice why some a Kartel blagger them have to sound like them live under the sea. Gaza uncle sound like him live under the sea. It's just in tone. He really sound like he live under the sea. And you have one next one called Pink Perch. When me hear them a call Pink Perch, he really look like and sound like he live under the sea. In the pineapple. Yeah, me not tell no lie.
You have to understand, you know. The man them, I don't know, but you come like, when it comes to Vybz Kartel, them man are turn feminine or them voice just change in a way. And the man them get, people, the man them get emotional, you know. The way the man them get all emotional, the man them lose all them voice. Me I tell you people, use all them voice, like them lose them voice. You have to wonder, you that thing say, Kartel are them woman or something. I say, bro, man them get loud people, like them want ball. I said, you know, if I say, no dog, them man gone too far now, me G. Me I tell no that.
Pink Perch, you really look like you live under the sea in the pineapple, you know. I don't know why some of Vybz Kartel blagger them have to sound like they live under the sea. I don't know star. But anyway, me not have long yes and bully to say. Why am I nose? I'm out.
You don't know this is Masicka and we live. Okay player, well go on. The new album, the greatest album of all time. You know what I mean? Well they don't know forever.
Yo dog, me I tell you people. Masicka. Yo, let me tell you, I can't take Masicka serious, you know. I tell you that, I can't take Masicka serious, bro. Like, you see, but sometimes I feel like him just a troll. Cause when he say them thing, I'm laughing, you know. You understand? Well, if you want to believe that in a film opinion, although the album not drop yet, but him say it's gonna be the greatest album of all time. You understand? So, make we see. You understand? Cause sometimes I just some talking, but I just not understand what really go on because you have some album, a good album them, you see me, but the exaggeration when it comes to the album, sometimes I have to just shame it. Because most of the album them is like, him not even perform 5 songs out of the album, much less. If we say it's a classic or certain way. But it's a good album where you can listen to. You understand? Yeah man. More when you call album classic and them little thing there. Like most of the songs them like about 80% of the song them like a hit song. You understand? Yeah. So I just Masicka that when him say something. You see me? Yeah.
Rain, that's the name of the album. You know what I mean? It's just cementing myself in the dancehall space. You know what I mean? Cementing myself in the music as well. You know what I mean? I feel like right now with the 2 previous albums, you know what I mean? Great success, you know what I mean? In the business over 7 years now, 8 years now, you know what I mean? Getting tremendous love. Travel around the world quite a number of time and stuff like that. Gain a lot of experience from traveling from.
Masicka say him in the business 8 years now, 7 years now. So wait, we're in a 2026. So you're telling me from 2018? So you tell me say from when Masicka dropped the Hardball song from 2015. So you tell me say 2016 no Masicka. 2017 no Masicka. We in a 2018? No dog. No sir. Brother. Ben I know the man say 7 years now. Him in the game. Masicka been in the music business over the years now, even more than Alkaline. And the man I go say 7 or 8 years. Chacha youth. But him say some people. I don't know. I know say sometimes the dog kind of confused still. You see me? Yeah, but make way man say.
Music from performing. So I just feel like I'm in an element right now. I'm in an era of my life where I no longer I try, but I walk into what is mine, you know what I mean? So I definitely just cement myself now and make everybody know, say, Forever Rain, you know what I mean? One of the greatest albums to come out. Part of my journey. There's no stopping, there's no slowing down. So basically that man, yeah man. Success forever. So August 14, you know what I mean? Some of the singles them I got dropped before, you know what I mean? Like probably 1 or 2. So the fans them can look out for that. So we really put a lot into this album, you know what I mean? So yeah, I expect it to do a whole heap for people, you know what I mean? Not just for myself, you get me? Yeah man, definitely. As me say, Forever Rain, you know what I mean? So show us a blessing. A season of winning, you get what I say? So it's just what as me say, walking into greatness. So I guess the cover art I got also depict that too, you know what I mean? A season a change, you know what I mean? So definitely, yeah man. Best storyteller and dancer and why? Right now the people they must say a Fambo, you know. So that me say I go and remove. I haven't. What else I could have said? Fambo.
Yo, brother, boy, Masicka. I don't know where your mental them G. The man say best storyteller Fambo. People. Fambo. No dog, Masicka. I don't know where you watch or where you there, dog. You there somewhere else, me G. Best storyteller Fambo, bro. A man with us chat something and people just run storyteller. How would they write it this? No dog. Me I tell you, me never expect Fambo to write it. If you say Fambo, if I did the internet now, me could understand. But the man says best storyteller. The man say people, him say Fambo. Blood seed. Yo, people, go find Masicka. Cause I don't know, maybe him really nice swamp. Yeah, man.
I don't even know what to tell you. I feel like everybody that dance at a storyteller at some point, so.
Boy, Masicka, I don't know 8 piece of me G. Go on your thing, dog. One of them thing there. You see me? Yeah, man. One of them thing there, me G. So, people, big up on yourself. We don't know on media for Spanish. Yeah, man. That is it.